Welcome back. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Spotify so you can avoid any interruptions to your premium subscription. Let's get started. First, log in to your Spotify account using your credentials. If this is your first time using Spotify, click the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Changing your payment method on Spotify is important if your current card has expired, is no longer valid, or if you've switched banks and need to update your billing details. Keeping your payment information up to date ensures your premium service continues without any issues. Once you're logged in on a web browser, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you directly to your account page. On your account page, look for the Payment section. Here, you'll see options such as Order History and Saved Payment Cards. This is where you can manage your payment details for one-time purchases. If you already have a debit or credit card saved, you can choose to edit, update, or remove it depending on your needs. If you don't have a card added yet, simply click Add Card and enter your new payment details. Spotify supports major cards such as Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Once saved, you'll be able to update or change your payment method anytime. For managing payment details related to your monthly Spotify Premium subscription, head to your Account Overview section where billing and subscription settings are handled. If you run into any issues while updating your payment method, you can visit Spotify's Payment Help section and look for options related to updating or fixing payment details. Spotify support can also assist if your account is restricted or payments are failing. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change your payment method on Spotify using a web browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next guide.